moving assets between blockchains remains a challenge. Suppose you want to buy a Solana-based meme coin, but your funds are on Ethereum. Process typically requires multiple steps: bridging assets, swapping tokens, and waiting for transactions to confirm, all before making the purchase. This complexity limits user experience and slows down adoption. Chain Abstraction is addressing this by allowing users to interact with multiple blockchains seamlessly, removing the need for manual asset transfers and simplifying transactions across networks.
Yes! Hell yeah! Hey, come on, baby! Come on! Yes! Come on!
Hi, I'm Allison, and today we're exploring Chain Abstraction. We'll break down the 5 key projects that are building within this space, making blockchain interactions more efficient, accessible, and user-friendly. First up is Particle Network, pioneering a new approach to blockchain interactions through their modular infrastructure. Think about this. You want to buy NFT listed on Polygon, but your funds are on Ethereum. Without Chain Abstraction, this usually is at least a 10-minute process involving bridges and multiple transactions. With Particle's universal accounts, it happens in one click. Their system automatically handles the bridge transfers and token swaps behind the scenes. While Particle simplifies asset movements, another major pain point remains: gas fees. This is where Octo steps in by removing gas fees entirely.
You're Jimmy, right? This is your house?
Sure is.
I'm Winston Wolf. I solve problems.
Good, we got one.
So I heard. May I come in?
Yeah, please do.
Want to claim rewards from 5 different DeFi protocols across different chains? Instead of paying gas fees for each claim, Octo bundles these actions together. They've already processed over 30,000 cross-chains transactions this way, saving users both time and money. Now that we've covered how assets move and how fees are managed, let's look at a solution that optimizes how transactions are executed across different blockchains. Instead of manually selecting a blockchain, a bridge, and a DEX to complete transaction, Near Protocol's intent layers lets users define outcomes they want. For example, swapping tokens A for token B, while the system finds the most efficient route across chains. This system has resulted in a 40% improvement in price execution compared to single chain transactions, reducing inefficiencies in cross-chain trading.
Damn!
Beyond execution, Near's chain signatures technology eliminates the need for managing multiple private keys, making multi-chain interactions more secure and user-friendly. If Near allows users to define a single intent, and so expands this concept by grouping multiple intents into a single action through shortcuts. Instead of performing separate transactions for trading, lending, and yield farming, users define what they want to achieve, and ENSO executes the entire process automatically. This makes Web3 more accessible while allowing users to execute complex DeFi strategies with minimal effort. For developers, ENSO's API enables plug-and-play automation, integrating these shortcuts directly into dApps to simplify user experience and increase engagement. With all these user-focused solutions in place, there is still a major issue behind the scene: liquidity fragmentation. Assets and liquidity are spreading across multiple chains, reducing efficiency and increasing slippage. Everclear acts as a clearing layer, coordinating transactions across modular blockchains, intent protocols, and solver networks to ensure optimal execution. By splitting large trades across multiple chains, Everclear helps market makers, exchanges, and DeFi applications achieve better pricing and reduce costs. Its automated rebalancing features ensure liquidity is efficiently distributed, making cross-chain transactions more seamless and cost-effective. The numbers tell the story. DeFi protocols using these technologies have seen user engagement spike by 300%. But this is just the beginning. Chain Abstraction is doing for Web3 what web browsers did for the internet, stripping away technical barriers so anyone can participate. When developers can build without worrying about blockchain complexity, and users can interact with dApps as easily as they would use mobile apps, that's when Web3 goes mainstream. What excites you the most about these developments in Chain Abstraction? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the future of blockchain technology. And remember to do your own research. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.